Are you ready for a cosmic journey through the latest and greatest discoveries in space and technology? From black holes to quantum computing, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the mysteries of the universe, exploring new breakthroughs and discoveries that are changing the way we see the world. Join us as we explore the hidden secrets of the cosmos, and uncover the incredible wonders of space and technology. First up, astronomers have made an out-of-this-world discovery. They've found evidence of a missing link black hole that's been cleverly hidden right here in our own galaxy. This isn't just any ordinary black hole though. It's what scientists call an intermediate mass black hole, meaning it's not as small as the ones formed by individual stars, but not as massive as the supermassive black holes that reside in the centers of galaxies. The researchers were able to detect this elusive object by analyzing data from the Chandra X-ray Observatory and the European Space Agency's Newton Space Telescope. They found that a powerful burst of X-ray radiation that occurred in 2003 likely came from an intermediate mass black hole, which is now located in a cluster of stars known as Neutron 5. This exciting discovery could provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of black holes, and help shed light on some of the mysteries surrounding these enigmatic objects. So let's all raise a glass, or a telescope, to the astronomers who made this incredible discovery possible. In other news, the universe just got a whole lot more beautiful thanks to the incredible capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Using its powerful instruments, the telescope has captured stunning images of clouds of star formation in other galaxies, and they are a sight to behold. The images show gas and dust swirling and colliding to form new stars in various galaxies. The JWST's high-resolution imaging allows astronomers to study the intricate details of these processes and gain insights into the formation of stars and galaxies. One particularly mesmerizing image captures the Whirlpool Galaxy, which is a stunning spiral galaxy located about 23 million light-years from Earth. The JWST's infrared capabilities have allowed astronomers to see through the galaxy's dusty clouds and capture detailed images of the star-forming regions within. This breakthrough in imaging technology has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and the processes that drive its evolution. And who knows, perhaps one day we'll be able to see the universe in all its glory, thanks to the powerful technology at our disposal. Next, space travel is a remarkable feat of human achievement, but it's not without its challenges. Unfortunately, the latest news from the International Space Station, ISS, is a reminder of this fact. A Russian capsule that was supposed to bring cosmonauts back to Earth has been delayed due to a leak. This is not the first time a Russian spacecraft has experienced issues during a mission. Over the years, there have been numerous incidents, including equipment failures and leaks, that have put astronauts' safety at risk. The recent leak was detected on a Soyuz spacecraft, which is a workhorse of the Russian space program. The capsule was set to return 3 cosmonauts to Earth, but the leak means that the crew will have to wait a bit longer before they can return home. Fortunately, the cosmonauts are in no immediate danger, and the leak is being investigated by engineers on the ground. But this incident highlights the need for continued vigilance when it comes to space travel. Even the smallest technical issues can have serious consequences in the unforgiving environment of space. Despite these challenges, however, we can take comfort in the fact that space travel remains one of the greatest achievements of humanity. As we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe, we must also remain mindful of the risks and work together to ensure the safety of all those involved in space missions. Moving on. The universe is full of extraordinary events, but a recent discovery has left scientists in awe. A team of researchers has detected an explosion so rare and powerful that it's estimated to happen only once in a millennium. The explosion, known as a gamma-ray burst, was first detected in October 2022 by the Swift Observatory. The burst was so powerful that it released more energy than the Sun would in 10 billion years. What makes this one so peculiar is the evolution of the afterglow, which doesn't fit the standard synchrotron afterglow theory. They're thought to be produced by extremely energetic events in the universe, such as the collision of 2 neutron stars or the collapse of a black hole. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of the universe, and might tell us that something might be fundamentally wrong with the afterglow theory. Next. In 2017, a groundbreaking discovery was made in the field of astronomy when a collision between 2 neutron stars was detected for the first time. Now, researchers have uncovered yet another mind-boggling phenomenon associated with that collision. According to a recent study, the impact of the 2 neutron stars created a sphere so perfectly round that it shocked the researchers studying it. The sphere, known as a fireball, is thought to be created by the matter and energy ejected during the collision. The researchers were expecting to see an asymmetrical fireball as a result of the collision, but instead, they were greeted with a perfectly round one. This was surprising since asymmetrical shapes are much more common in the universe, and it was thought that the collision between two neutron stars would lead to the creation of an irregular fireball. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of the universe. It provides new insights into the processes that occur during neutron star collisions and the properties of the matter and energy that are produced in these events. As space exploration becomes an increasingly important field of study, researchers are looking for innovative ways to power spacecraft. One such innovation involves the use of aerogels, a type of material that's incredibly lightweight and has remarkable insulating properties. But now, researchers are proposing a new use for aerogels, to power a nuclear space engine. The idea is to fill the aerogel with tiny particles of uranium. When a beam of high-energy neutrons is directed at the uranium, it produces heat, which can then be used to generate electricity. This process is known as nuclear fission, and it's the same process used in nuclear power plants on Earth. The researchers believe that using aerogels as a fuel source could make nuclear engines lighter and more efficient. This is because aerogels are incredibly lightweight, which means that less fuel would be needed to power a spacecraft. Additionally, the insulation properties of aerogels would help to protect the spacecraft from the heat produced by nuclear fission. While the idea of using nuclear engines to power spacecraft is not new, it has traditionally been viewed as a risky and expensive endeavor. However, the use of aerogels as a fuel source could make nuclear engines a more viable option for space exploration. Next up, the Sun is an incredibly complex and dynamic celestial object, and scientists have recently discovered a new phenomenon that's taking place on its surface. A small part of the Sun has broken off and formed a vortex, a swirling mass of plasma that's different from anything seen before on the Sun. The vortex was first observed by researchers using the European Space Agency's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory (SOHO) satellite. The vortex is made up of a bundle of magnetic fields that have become twisted and distorted. This twisting motion causes the plasma to rotate and form a vortex, similar to the way water rotates around a drain. This phenomenon is significant because it provides new insights into the behavior of the Sun's magnetic fields. It also suggests that the Sun's magnetic fields are much more dynamic and complex than previously thought. Understanding the behavior of the Sun's magnetic fields is crucial for predicting space weather, which can have significant impacts on Earth. While the vortex itself is relatively small, it's part of a larger network of magnetic fields that are constantly changing and evolving. Studying these magnetic fields is essential for understanding the Sun's behavior and how it affects our planet. Before we jump into the last one for this week, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing. It means a lot. Last one for this week comes from the tech world. Quantum computers are the next frontier in computing technology, offering unprecedented processing power that could revolutionize everything from drug development to cryptography. Now, a team of researchers has made a major breakthrough that could bring quantum computers one step closer to reality. The breakthrough involves a new type of qubit, the basic unit of quantum computing. The researchers have developed a qubit made from silicon, which is the same material used in traditional computer chips. This is significant because silicon is an incredibly stable and reliable material that's widely used in the electronics industry. Previous qubits were made from exotic materials like superconducting metals, which can be difficult to work with and require extremely cold temperatures. Silicon qubits, on the other hand, can be manufactured using existing chip fabrication techniques, making them more practical and scalable. The researchers were able to create the silicon qubits by precisely placing phosphorus atoms in a silicon crystal using a scanning tunneling microscope. This allowed them to create qubits with a high degree of control and accuracy, which is essential for creating a functional quantum computer. While there is still a long way to go before quantum computers become a reality, this breakthrough is a significant step forward. It demonstrates that it's possible to create reliable and stable qubits using existing technology, which could make quantum computers more practical and accessible in the future. While it may be some time before quantum computers are widely available, breakthroughs like this one bring us one step closer to a future where quantum computers are a reality. That's it for our journey through the latest and greatest discoveries in space and technology. We hope you enjoyed exploring the mysteries of the universe with us, and that you learned something new along the way. From the depths of black holes to the intricacies of quantum computing, the universe is a vast and wondrous place, full of incredible secrets and mysteries waiting to be discovered. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we know about the universe. Who knows what wonders we'll uncover next? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.